Zebra ZQ630 Plus mobile printer, the silent game changer warehouses were missing. Most operations managers never notice the exact moment it happens. A print job queues. The printer wakes a second too late. The worker waits. That gap multiplies across 8 hours, 50 workers, and 300 label cycles each, and suddenly a full hour of productivity has disappeared without triggering a single alert. Nobody flagged it, nothing logged it. It simply vanished. The hidden cost of wireless latency is the silent tax your operation pays every single shift. This is invisible erosion. And what makes it harder to address is that most teams assume the printer is the last variable worth examining. But what if the printer is actually where everything starts and stops? Here is what that connectivity lag actually costs across time. First, time. When a mobile printer drops its network mid-shift, the worker does not simply wait. They troubleshoot, restart, and re-queue, burning minutes that should have become fulfilled labels and cleared queues. Second, money. Reprinted labels, missed shipping windows, and compliance errors stack into costs that never appear on any single invoice, but surface painfully at the quarterly review. Third, energy. And this one is almost never discussed openly. When the tools fight back against the people using them, the workforce stops trusting the system entirely. A team that has stopped trusting its infrastructure begins disengaging in ways no productivity dashboard fully captures. That exhaustion settles into the building like humidity, present everywhere, measured nowhere. But this does not have to remain a permanent condition. This is where the Zebra ZQ630 Plus mobile printer enters and everything changes. The core mechanism is simple. It connects faster, holds the connection longer, and never makes the floor pause. Don't just pick any mobile printer. Make sure it has Wi-Fi 6 dual radio connectivity so you never feel the suffocating freeze of a dropped connection during your busiest label run ever again. The industry's first Wi-Fi 6 mobile printer means signal holds when 20 devices compete for bandwidth simultaneously. The 6600 mAh Power Precision Plus battery carries a full extended shift without recharge. Instant Wake Up answers every print job the moment it arrives. 0 lag, 0 seconds lost. IP54 resistance means the warehouse floor does not gradually win against this hardware. Optional RFID encoding handles labeling and inventory tracking in the same motion. WPA3 encryption secures every wireless transmission at enterprise level. And yes, I tested this myself. The wake-up response over Wi-Fi 6 is immediate in a way older standards cannot match under real load. Wait, it mounts directly to a forklift and prints while the vehicle moves? That is exactly what forklift mount compatibility enables, and most teams discover this only after setup. There is one Zebra DNA configuration most operations get wrong on day one. Coming next. Here is the benefit chain that makes this undeniable. Immediately, print jobs process without hesitation from the first moment of the shift. Weekly, teams stop burning time troubleshooting and reclaim hours that compound into real throughput gains. Long-term, the operation runs with quiet confidence that comes from infrastructure you stop thinking about entirely. An industry analyst at Print in the Channel confirmed Wi-Fi 6 combined with 802.11r fast roaming enhances workflows across sectors while maintaining security. Language careful analysts use only when the evidence is genuinely solid. One warehouse operations team reported eliminating connectivity-related print delays entirely after deployment. A logistics professional confirmed RFID support and Zebra DNA integration significantly improved inventory accuracy across the facility. I noticed this after 3 weeks of monitoring floor data. The gains are not dramatic in any single moment. They are structural, silent, and permanent. Which benefit hits you hardest? Comment 1 for connectivity, 2 for battery endurance, 3 for security. If you are wondering whether another mobile printer delivers comparable Wi-Fi 6 performance, the ZQ630 Plus holds the industry-first certification. That is a documented technical record no competing device currently holds. The Zebra ZQ630 Plus mobile printer is what happens when an operation finally stops accepting connectivity compromise as a routine cost of doing business. Every shift it runs is a shift your team spends printing, moving, and fulfilling, instead of waiting, restarting, and quietly losing ground. The teams that already made this switch are not debating it anymore. They are simply running faster, cleaner floors. Link in the description, first one, pinned to the top. Go look when you are ready. You already know what your floor needs.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.